Welcome to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Instagram password in some very easy steps. Open your browser. Firstly, you have to open your browser and search Instagram, login into there and click on the first option that pops up. After searching, it will lead you to the login page of Instagram. Click on Forget Password. Now, after reaching the login page of Instagram, just simply click on the Forget Password option. After clicking there, you just simply have to enter either your email, phone number, or username into this box and click on the Send Login Link button. After doing this, Instagram will send you an email with the login link. Open your email and search for the mail from Instagram. Now, you just simply have to open your mailbox and look for the email that Instagram sent you. Simply click on that email, and after going to that email, you can see the Reset Your Password button. You just simply have to click there. Set up a new password. Now, in this new tab, you just simply have to enter a new password for your Instagram and repeat the same password into the second box. After doing this, just simply click on the Reset Password button. By following these very easy steps, you have successfully reset your Instagram password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.